Hello, I'm Caroline Williams, Executive Director of Oxford Saïd Online, the EdTech department of Saïd Business School, University of Oxford. It's a real pleasure to meet you. Here, across the university, we are dedicated to providing leaders from around the world the skills to not only manage complexity and uncertainty, but to thrive amid the transformative opportunities that come with technological change. Empowering women leaders with strategic frameworks, not just technical skills, ensures that AI becomes a force for inclusive innovation. That's why I'm delighted to announce our partnership with Technovation. Together, we're co-developing the Fundamentals of AI-Ready Leadership course, a program designed specifically for visionaries who understand AI's potential in building a better world. Visionaries like you. The world is entering an AI revolution, and countries everywhere need both physical infrastructure and human talent to thrive in this new landscape. Well, this course draws on Oxford's deep expertise in adaptive leadership and decision-making under uncertainty, while addressing the social, economic, and ethical dimensions of AI. It's executive-level training that we are thrilled to offer exclusively to Women Techmakers and Technovation community members. We believe those of you who take this course will go on to inspire your communities, shape policy, and help build the resilient, forward-looking societies we all need. It is an honor for us at Oxford to contribute to this mission, and I cannot wait to see the incredible impact we create together. I wish you the very best on your educational journey and welcome to the future of AI-ready leadership.